Hi guys, and welcome back for another video. If you're new here, you are most welcome. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I really love and appreciate you. So in today's video, it's a really short one, but I get asked a lot how to achieve volume. So I have done videos before, which I'll link here, but today I thought I'd address the whole I've got no hair, like I'm bald or I've got really short hair kind of questions, and show you how I go from the flat to the nice round volume thing. Now, so I've got my hair in cane rows at the moment, so it's obviously plaits that are stuck down to my head, so my head looks tiny. I have got a tiny head anyway, but it looks really tiny compared to when my hair's not in plaits. So this is exactly what I do when I want to add volume and I've got plaits in. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so what I do then, so like I said, my hair's in cane rows, so really flat at the back. So what I do is I get a silk or satin. I actually have a like hat type one, which is a lot better because it kind of has a natural dangly bit at the back like that, so you can use that as your little hair bit. But I can't. Okay guys, so I found it, so I'm just going to include a little clip in here so you can see it, and as I said with everything else, I'll link everything that I find down below. Find that, I'm not sure I put it. Okay guys, so this is what I was looking for. I couldn't find mine, but I realised my mum had one, so I thought I'd borrow hers just to show you quickly what it would look like. So let me just put this on my head. So basically you would, wait, where's my volume? So the reason that this is way easier, way quicker to do, is because you just put it on your head, tie this bit at the back. Oh, no, go on, there we go. Tie it at the back, and then you would use this, pretend this is your ponytail, and then you'd wrap this around like that. My mum's one's really slippery. There you go. And then you would simply just put this on there like that, and then proceed with putting this on, and the rest of the process is the same. But yeah, this is really handy to have this ponytail bit. So yes. If I find it, then I'll use that. If not, then you can use just a regular scarf. So this is like a triangular one that you can sleep with, one of them Satin sleeping scarves. So yeah, just put it on your head, and what you're going to do is you're just basically going to tie at the back, but you're going to try and do it so that there's a bit of fabric like this. Okay, like that, so you've got a bit of fabric to work with. So this isn't cute but it works. Okay, and then you just want to get you're just going to want to get your volumizing scrunchie, and I'll find links to all these things that where you can get them online and leave them down below for you, because that's another question a lot of you ask me. So yeah, so you get your scrunchie, and then you literally just going to attach it to this. Okay, don't worry, it will stay on, because next up you're going to get yourself one of these bonnets. And again, I will find one. I'll find one online, I'll link it. So this is the one that I use, and make sure it's non-slip, so it's like a cottony material, just nothing satin, nothing silky, otherwise your scarf's going to move underneath all day. Okay, so you're just going to literally put this on top of this like that, and then just tie at the back, and then that holds this secure. Okay, so I just tuck it all under, and then just tie it again and just tuck it like that. Okay, so there you've already started to get the outline of the shape, right? And then now when you go to tie your scarf, I'm just going to place it on my head like this. This, then you find that you have the perfect shape. So easy. Okay, so it's literally that simple. So even if you have no hair whatsoever, you can still do this. All you need to do is get your satin / silk under scarf thing, which I've always used the satin thing anyway to protect my hair. but obviously it comes in really handy, particularly handy when you have got cornrows in, or you have got no hair, or you've got really short hair. It comes in very handy. So yeah, like I said, I'll find the places where you can get all these products online and link to them. I hope this video helped. If it did, give it a thumbs up and let me know any other videos that you'd like to see me do, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.